Here's how to use the bike rack on an MBTA bus. Let your driver know you need to use the bike rack. Push the rack towards the bus and squeeze the handle to lower it so it's flat. Lift your bike onto the rack closest to the bus and place your front wheel into the slot marked "front wheel here." Pull the support arm out and up over your front tire, making sure it is securely fastened over the top of your bike's front wheel. When exiting, let the bus driver know you'll be taking your bike off the rack. Squeeze the center handle and fold the rack back up into its locked upright position. Now you can depart safely on your bike. Thank you for taking the T.